What is going on, everybody? Lunatics, embrace the madness. We are here to talk about the price action and we're going to look in on the market. We're not going to get too deep into some of the things that have been happening because we just want to focus on this right now. So, we're going to start off with the price action on this Luna chart. And I want to pull this back just a little bit. And I want to show you guys, you can make some arguments about where these lines go. You can move them up or down just a little bit. But at the end of the day, you can clearly see that we are forming this little sort of wedge pattern here. By the way, if you extend this out, you can see that we probably extend through some of these resistance points along the way, but we want to focus on this right here, and it looks like we are primed for another breakout. I don't know what kind of breakout that looks like. If I'm being honest, I want to be as conservative as possible, say that maybe we're going to hit this and we're going to bounce out and then we start to break out right here. Maybe we test right around. It looks to me like, and I'm just eyeballing it, but if we start right over here and we say that we kind of hit tops and tops and tops a couple of times over here, and we have this little kind of move right here, we can visually see how this has been moving right here with pop here, pop here, pop here, pop here. Then we can probably say that this line that we're looking at right here probably going to be where we break out to right around 32. If you're making a move, if you're making a play, then that's an opportunity for you. But I don't know that it's going to play out that way. It just looks like we're primed for a little bit of a breakout. I do believe that Bitcoin is primed for a breakout. So, keep in mind that that is a potential number. Know that we are using this little area right here as our support line, with this being our resistance line up here. And we haven't clearly shown it as resistance, but you can see that trend line starting to form on that upside. And you can make a reasonable argument when you see it that it's happening. So I think that we're probably going to have some moves to that upside, and we're going to kiss that 32 right there before probably being rejected a little bit and moving back down to some more downside, because it looks like there's going to be some downside, and that's not a bad thing. Let's check over here on station. You can see right here, I still got my stake in, haven't touched anything except to withdraw the rewards and to consolidate them into earning some more rewards. And guys, if you haven't already, and you should definitely stake, but what you should do is split it up amongst validators so that you don't get wrecked by one validator. These guys have been pretty good so far. It's about 79 of them, I think, and they're all appear to be long-term validators, decent places, but you never know what's going to happen. So just delegate yourself accordingly, and always go with the people who are going to vote the way that you want them. Vote, validate, use delegation and validators in your own best interest. Don't put it into the hands of people you don't agree with. Also, let's go look at the burn real quick. You can see right here that we've got total burn of about 19,122 billion. 19,122 million, with, again, Binance being the big dog on the block, and the overall amounts we're sitting on, we're just kind of waiting for that big sort of move. We're not there, but we are hopeful that it happens. So then let's come over here and let's look at Terra Classic right here. You can see it's trading at 27, like we just said. Volume is $200 million, down 33%. So it was up at 270 yesterday, and we're looking at a market cap of 1.663. And you got to consider it 1.663 billion. We have shown remarkable strength for what is a down market. There's only 39 billion in trading volume in the last 24 hours. That is a very small number. Some of it because of the market yesterday, the conditions yesterday in the stock market, and some of the risk assets being pulled, et cetera, et cetera. So, we're primed. This is like a calm before a storm. Like I think we're primed for a breakout. And you can come over here and you can see that at 4.3 cents right now, you got a run on Terra Classic down to 76 million. Market cap is 424 million. So you can see that there's a run on this right now. I don't think this has a future at this point, other than a very, very, very long-term sort of hold to see what happens going forward in the future. But again, let me know what you think in the comment sections down below. Hit the like button, hit the bell to be notified of new content, and give me a subscribe if you like what I'm saying. If you like being updated on a daily basis, let me know, and then we'll continue to do that. We'll also mark bullish over here on Terra Classic, and we'll mark bullish on Luna Classic, because we're always going to be bullish on these. This is not financial advice. My name's Bleaves. I am always right, and we will talk to you guys again very, very soon.